Good evening, tutor and partners. This is my final exam for the Unit 1 and 2, Step 4, for the Material Design for Virtual Environments course. My name is Alexander Carvajal Urrego. Okay, this final exercise is about the integration of the Web 2.0 tools to a foreign language class. Advances are established in technology, offering a wide array of options of communication, creativity, and innovation. The role of technology has been infused more and more into the education setting. New state standards incorporate technology as a crucial element in preparing students to compete and thrive in the 21st century. Demands of technology integration have altered teaching practice and learning objectives that affect student population. This is a sample of the integration, how to integrate Web 2.0 technology to an English class. We got here a lesson plan about the structure of the simple present. Let's start. This exercise is for the 6th grade, 1 hour, and it shows the following: to distinguish the different grammar structures at the simple present, to identify the grammar structures at the simple present, use of the to be verb, correct use of the auxiliary does, and to use of common expression in playing roles according with situations with the simple present in daily routines. About the materials for this activity, we are going to use whiteboard, markers, books, text, worksheet, newspapers, notebooks, cell phones, flashcards or PowerPoint slides, dictionary, and the web page Quiznetic. Let's start with a warm-up review. It's about 5 minutes with a random questions. What is your favorite lunchtime meal? After that, follow the introduction. This is about 10 minutes. It shows language content, routine verbs, go to bed, get up, take a shower, breakfast, lunch, dinner, brush, one teeth, study, work, time, expressions such as every day and others is necessary. The program start with the pilot students group and tell them to write out the birthday record in their notebook in 1 minute. So, then have the parts to get together with other parts and compile their answers. After, in the original parts, they tell to identify which of the verbs they wrote down to express routine. Next, presentation activities. It's about 15 minutes. It shows a presentation which shows slides with pictures of the verbs to be presented in the lesson. Individually, have a student try to write a sentence based on the image they see. They encourage them to do the time. For instance, when you show the slide of get up, they go, I get up at 6, model instructions. Have a student get together in pairs and tell them to check the sentence if they are not correct or not. After that, elicit students to give their answers and write only 3 of them on the board. When doing so, ask them to identify the position of the words. To illustrate, I, subject, get up, verb, at 7, complement. The idea is that the students notice that there is a pattern. We continue with the practice. This is about 15 minutes. For this, we are going to use the Quiznetic web page. Students use their tablet and go to the quiz exercise in the Quiznetic web page and offer feedback on reading, comprehension, and pronunciation. We got the bank of questions. Every question has their feedback. So, we got the questions and we got the feedback. If you go wrong and if you go well. After to use the Web 2.0 tool, we continue with the debugging. We need for that 50 minutes. We need pencil, cell phone, and whiteboard. Here, we are going to make the student read a paragraph similar to the one they just read about themselves and their relative. After they should record this paragraph on their cell phones. Next, they will share their recording with a pair and that pair will have to write down what he/she understood. Finally, they will check if the paragraphs are similar to the original one. At the end, we find the evaluation. As students do the production stage, go around them and check out the emerging language of possible difficulties when using the structure so you can tackle the problems in the feedback sessions. We got here our evaluation sheet. To evaluate the performance, we can use an Excel table to view the results of the quiz. In conclusion, a good well-designed lesson plan needs a schedule. This helps and maximizes the time with the students and ensures that teachers are moving them closer to their level goals. To get this, teachers should know exactly what materials and in what order he will give the lesson, prepare presentation about grammar, rules, exercise, audio, and video. In this case, the use of Excel, PowerPoint, and Quizmatic gives to the teacher great performance in the classroom, brings opportunity to the student to get better learning and a lot of fun. Thank you.